So I'm in Terra Station in Dublin and heading to Hoth, which is a beautiful little coastal town, and gonna meet up with my buddy Doug. So I haven't seen him in a while, and he lives pretty close to there, and yeah, gonna show me around, so looking forward to it. This is Hoth is the name of this place. This is a gorgeous part of Ireland. And look who I ran into.
What's going on?
Old Doug from Meadowvale. So
good times.
We're a long ways from Meadowvale.
Holy shit. Yeah, a long ways from Meadowvale Streets.
That's right, yeah. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is incredible.
There's the lighthouse.
Wow. This is what I thought of when I was thinking Ireland, yeah. My goodness.
Go down here, we'll go down here for a bit.
Wow. This is gorgeous.
Well, you know what? It's not pouring rain, so.
So these are the cliffs of Hoth, is it? Hoth?
Yes, the Hoth Cliff Walk.
Hoth
Head Cliff Walk.
Hoth Head Cliff Walk. This is amazing. Pretty, holy smokes. Wow. What, that's a couple hundred feet. Are you guys freezing? Yeah?
Oh.
It's cold, yeah. This is Malahide
Village.
Malahide Village. We're about 45 minutes from Dublin. Not even. Half hour?
Half hour.
Yeah, beautiful little town here. And Saturday night, so it is I would imagine a lot of pubs are quite busy.
We're going now right now.
Perfect. Check it out. Yeah, awesome. Gibney's. Here we go. We got like a little liquor store right beside it, and nice big patio. On a double-decker bus tour, and it's raining in Dublin, so kind of one of those things. Typical weather, but it's fun.
entered service in 1871, and has used for nearly 90 years in building the kingdom of Malahide. The diving bell you see there.
So this is St. Stephen's Green. Yeah, nice park here right in Dublin. And let's see, yeah, we're right in the heart here. This is beautiful. Wander around. Look at all these. This is my favorite part of traveling. I get my locals to become tourists for the day. They're doing stuff they never do, so this is fun. Why the hell is this Canadian guy so excited about a park? There's palm trees. Why is there palm trees in Dublin? Who would have thought? Who would have thought? It's gorgeous. Yeah, that's nice. How old do you think it is? Is it a couple hundred years old? This park, yeah.
Oh yeah.
And it's massive, like right in the city center. Like that's what surprises me.
Central Park.
Oh yeah. Yeah, right. I hope that's fire retardant. It's a hard way to make a living. Wow. All right, so I'm getting a free walking tour from my pal Doug and the lovely Tracy here. She's born in Dublin, so she's giving me a little history lesson. And Doug's a Canadian, and he's about as Irish as they get now. And he's
I'm as Irish as a potato.
yeah, he's the real deal. So getting a cool free tour here, getting around Dublin. This is another incredible church here.
This is the same one where we started.
Okay, this is just the other side of the same incredible church. So this is the St. Patrick's Cathedral in Dublin. It is 800 years old. It is stunning. Dublin is a super walkable city. You can see the sign behind me there. Everything is very close. Yeah, if you can do an hour walk, you'll see probably 8 or 10 of these landmarks. And then, so it is small, it is walkable. But they also have a great hop-on, hop-off bus tours, which are about €30. So yeah, all what your preference is, but definitely just want to stress that it is walkable. I've been able to see quite a bit today, and only been walking around for a couple hours, so it's a lot in a small space, or tight space, I would say. All right, so I'm at the Irish Whiskey Museum here in Dublin, and this fine gentleman is just going to walk me through the tasting of the four whiskeys I get to try. So yeah, if you don't mind telling me.
So this is our Dublin Legends flight. So there's 4 whiskies here. Yeah. First off, we start with the Liberties blend, which is brewed just up in the Liberties, about 20 minutes walk from here, so it's really local. Yeah. Then we have the Pierce Lyons Founders Edition. Sadly, we don't have that at the moment, so it was replaced with the lovely 7-year edition. Following that, we have the Teeling's Small Batch, which is so nice, comes highly recommended by everybody. And then finally, we have the super tasty John Powers Lane, absolutely delicious. Quite a strong flavour to it, but it'll definitely leave you wanting more.
Awesome. Well, and which of these 4 would you say is your favourite?
For my favourite, now I like a strong whiskey, so it would be the John Powers Lane. Okay. Personally, I throw a little water in there just to get rid of that harsh kick. Right, perfect. It's lovely, absolutely fantastic.
Excellent. Well, I really appreciate your time, and I'll give them a go. Awesome, thank you. Let's give it a little taste here. As he said, put a little water in it, just a splash. That might have been too much, but I gotta give it a try. So yeah, it is a little bit stronger, but it's nice. It's still smooth and great flavor. I really like it. Give it a whirl if you're in Dublin. Come down to the Irish Whiskey Museum. Learn a ton about the history of it, and then of course you gotta sample the goodies after. What's there for me? In Dublin, having a good time. Met this cool dude. He's going to the US tomorrow, but he wanted to show me a good time in Dublin, so he said he's taking me to the bar up the road. I'm gonna go check it out. While we're mid-talk, I explained the pickleback to him, and then he went to the next level. So can you explain the shot to me? What you're telling me?
Yeah. So the pickleback is the shot of Jameson.
Yeah.
With the shot of pickle juice, but there's a thing called the cheeseburger. So you got it's the exact same thing. So you got your shot of Jameson, your shot of pickle juice, but you also get your tomato juice as a shot as well.
Like
we literally just a bottle of tomato juice,
just one after another.
Yeah.
So 3 shots.
3 shots, boom, 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 and it tastes exactly like a cheeseburger. There's no cheese involved, but it genuinely tastes like a cheeseburger.
I don't doubt it. Like that's
if we had that right now, I would show you. It's so delicious.
For the millions of people watching, give this a go, a try at home.
Dude,
I think you'll love it. I've never had it.
You all have the ingredients at home. You all have tomato juice, you all have pickle juice, get a bottle of Jameson, you'll have a great time.
I think we're nailing it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, let's do a shot too while we're here. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Hurrah.
The Wall of Fame for rock and roll in Ireland. Had some great singers over the years. So we're in Temple Bar, which is a very, very busy spot, very touristy. Yeah, just tons and tons of shops and bars and pubs. We got these cool little alleyways as well. There we go, Canadian, English, and Australian flag over that bar. So Temple Bar is a busy touristy area, and this is the Temple Bar in Temple Bar. So live music every day, and it's been around for a very long time. Just gonna try to see when this was built. Or it's built up around 1555. Crazy. Inside the Temple Bar, they got all these police and firefighting badges, mostly from Canada and the US. I see Polish as well. Edmonton. As I walked in, I noticed this one, the beautiful police, and that's where my mom was born and pretty close to where I grew up. So they got hundreds of them that customers have just given over the years. It's pretty cool. This is Fallon's Bar. Made me think of Jimmy Fallon, the great American actor or comedian. 1620. So this is crazy history. And again, they're selling this whiskey from 1791. I really can't believe how much history there is everywhere. The Guinness is just settling, and this is the Fallon's Capstan Bar from 1619. So this is packed right now. Lots of tourists, lots of locals. Yeah, same building for 400 years, I guess. And yeah, it's about 2 blocks from the church, so I would recommend it. This pint is actually reasonably priced. It's $5.50. You can have them as high as 7 or 8. Some of the bars in Temple Bar, especially. So cheers. Again, the graffiti is pretty cool in this town. It's wide variety of it. I saw guys yesterday doing it midday, right in the sun, doing it. And yeah, it's both sides of the street here. both sides of the street. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's vibrant. There's a lot of stories being told here with this graffiti. This whole alley is full of it, and yeah, there's all kinds of it throughout Dublin. It's not just one street. You'll see it everywhere. This street is incredible though. Yeah, I'm really liking it. So again, both sides of the street just packed with graffiti. It's pretty cool. So one good option from the city center is to take the bus to the airport. It's only €8 as opposed to probably 35 to 40 for a taxi. So pretty comfortable coach bus, and different pickup spots throughout the city center. So that's an option you can do as well.